Guys, it seems like I completely messed up my environment. I don't even know why. It's not fun. I had to adjust here all these things for you guys. Let's see if this goes full HD. See, this is also too small. I need to make that bigger for you guys. Yeah, maybe like that. Oh, I don't know, man. It seems like all my settings are gone. This is, I don't know. That's really bad. Sorry for that, guys. I'm really sorry. Let's see my microphone if that's good. This becomes better. Okay. Let me check this quick if the sound's okay. Hello. Okay. I need one more thing to do, and that is doing one screen only, I guess. I'll do this. I plug one screen out. Just a second, please, guys. Yeah, let me take that out. That should be better. That should be way better. Like performance-wise, though. Where is my OBS? There it is. Yeah, now we have 30 frames. Before, like, I don't know. So I don't know. It seems like. Is this good? It's too big, eh? This better, yeah? Okay. Damn, the sun is shining, guys. I can tell you that. You guys see my hair? That is new. So, where's my chat? Chat. Hi, let's see how we can adjust that. There we go. And then here we go. Good. I think now life is good. Let's close everything else that we don't need anymore. That one, for example. And I have a headache, dude. So yeah, that one is closed. Is there anything else open? Not that I know. Okay, so we are just here. Let's open this. I'll show you guys what I did. I did a lot. Look at this. Whoa, we got our website done. Yeah, that looks good. Why not? Why not, right? We also have some terms of use that I wrote. We have the login. We have the help page with the Discord link. That means I need to go into my Discord. All right. So yeah, we got this as well. We got here create the trends, and we got everything on the homepage. It's all we had before. All that was in is still on. Have some reviews here from the official review page. Sign up and have lower fees. Sign up, sign in. More insights. More than 30 Bitcoin converted. Actually, is true. We operate for 201 days. It's also and we have 100% happy clients. This is also true. And I think this looks pretty good. So this kind of like is indeed ready for production. Let's do some quick fixes. I want to remove these bootstrap size helper. And then on mobile it also looks good, guys. I can tell you that. Let's go mobile quick. Mobile gonna be like this. Smallest font. I think that's 375, something like that. We need to work on the mobile navigation. I mean, yeah. The mobile navigation isn't here, so let's get that done first. Primary menu, is it this way? Yeah, menu trigger. Okay, let's search for that quick. And we say that becomes bar? Is it bar? There's my bar though. Okay, technically that could work. All I think we have to do is put that behind the logo. No, apparently not. What's up here? Display flex and the menu trigger is... Oh, that's position absolute? No. It is. So then we have to put this on the right, I guess. Right, 20px. Huh. Top 25. Oh, wait. Ah, now we see it. Why is that there? Okay, that thing has something to do with the menu trigger. Shit. Okay. Okay, that's the issue. So this is the logo, and then I think we put that into the trigger here. Okay, and you don't become position absolute anymore. That's better. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then this thing, I mean, we could maybe say position absolute, but then we make it this thing position relative. And then also position relative. And then this thing is position absolute. Z index 2000. I wonder why that actually is so messed up. That's my logo. It's display flex. Should be more like display block now. Ah, okay. Okay, position relative. Okay, and this little thing. Stalin boy, good morning. What's up, buddy? How you doing? And this little thing. See, this is the layout I talked about. Looks quite good, yeah? Want to talk? Send us an email. Interesting. F5 this quick. Okay, so again, menu trigger, container clear fix. I think that needs to go into here. So that's my trigger. Okay, background red. Then we see, okay. Now, why is that so shitty compared to that one? Okay, let's call this maybe this. Yes, that's better. So, menu on the left or menu on the right? Menu on the right, yeah. And then I think we can say position absolute, right 0. Okay, that's basically it, man. No rocket science. Okay, good. So what was the bug? What was the bug? Okay, so this is really confusing. Let's see one more time. Primary menu trigger. Uh-huh. Overlay. Dude, there are so many styles. That's crazy. Okay, I think now our style's gone. Yeah, now it's here. Okay. So we go into... Man, I really suggest you to learn Ruby on Rails for that, buddy. Your whole thing with Ruby on Rails is done in I don't know. I can do your cackle thing in 2 hours, and that's completely working. And there is absolutely nothing that you have to worry about. And for moderation, you use Active Admin. Your whole administration tool is done in 5 minutes. Everything is it's so flexible. I really suggest you to try that with Rails and not with PHP. Okay, now let's style this thing. That's the one we need to style. Okay, so put him back maybe and say the following. Those ones could be okay, maybe. Okay, that's my menu. Okay. I thought I want this a little bigger, but it's okay. Font minus size 1 IEM. Maybe we can make it 2. This should be 1. Yeah. So I think we make it 2. Dude, the fuck? Yeah, 2 is better. Or 1.75 or something. And there's so much more style sheet here, as you can see, responsive stuff. Holy crap. Okay. Now all my styles gone, hopefully. So the next code thing is, the idea was that we make a Twitch donation integration. What was your idea? You said the code challenge, that's a little bit big. You said as a code challenge, we can do Trello. That's, I mean, that's a little, I don't know. But what did you send me? PHP GUI? Why? Holy goodness. Well. So yeah, that was the where's my styling? Oh, my button is gone. Shit. So opacity 0 is apparently wrong. That is from here. I wonder where that is from actually. There it is. Opacity 0. Font size is now, that is gone. Width 50-50. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, that didn't work, Timmy boy. Okay, now we fucked up something massively. Shit. Git status, git checkout star.scss. Okay, one more time. F5. There it is. Primary menu trigger. Well, IRC is actually really good. IRC is actually really good. There's nothing you can say against that actually. Okay, if I say cursor and I say my cursor isn't working. I think it's cursor pointer events. SKS, what's up? No, IRC is the bomb, buddy. Did you ever had any chat issue with Twitch? Never. That is really working great. No performance issues, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So that is really working good. There is nothing to say against that. That is working great. So I wonder how you so negative. I don't hear anybody ever have an issue with IRC. That is just working. So wait, so all we have to do is, let's do this again. So we can find all these and remove all styles. Remove all styles, buddy. So what are the issues? What are the issues, buddy? I'm happy to hear them though. Because I never hear that anybody have an issue with IRC. It's just working. Yeah, man. I don't know. Well, if it doesn't load, that's not an IRC problem. That's something like with the app or with your connection. But IRC, it doesn't have any problem. That's what I mean with this. It's like, dude, IRC is working for everybody, and nobody have an issue with IRC. And then, can you imagine? I mean, we all know it is possible, but can you imagine live events on Twitch when, I mean, on peak times, Twitch has like, whew, how many million people watch Twitch on peak times? 3, 4, 5? I don't know. A lot. Can you imagine the chat? How many hits per second does the chat get? And then you have to, yeah, okay, that's a different story. And then you have to, distribute that over to like your 5 million clients. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. So using a technology that is out there for 20 years, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. IRC, longer, like 1998 or something. I don't even know how long I know IRC. Long time. So that's a good thing to use a technology like that. So I think there's nothing wrong with IRC, buddy. Okay, so can we finally cursor pointer, and we said 175. Cool. That's cool. Okay, again, we say position absolute and right is 1 IM. Yeah, well, that's funny because we have that thing now. Okay. Okay, we don't do that anymore. Okay, where is my... I wonder where's that button? This one here. That's in the navigation top account. Left auto. Okay. So maybe we can do the same here. Position absolute. I wonder why this button here is position. Wait. Yeah, that thing, right? Right 10px. Okay, we push him to the left. Okay, how about we make the menu on the left? All the way on the left. Application, trigger. Yeah, the sun. It's right here. Okay, so that thing is now display inline. And that thing, oh no, this thing is display flex, right? No, let's bring this in here. Yeah. Okay, and all we have to do now is my margin, right? I'm the entertainment. Nice. Margin right, 1 IM. So SKS, how you like this website now? You think that's cool? Let me show you around a little bit. The easiest way, the cheapest way, the fastest way, and the most flexible way. That's cool, right? And then here I have these, that's this Doi Itanon. It's the highest point of Thailand, actually. We are borderless and don't know any limits. And then here's some metrics. Whoosh! Actually, it's like real data. And yeah, stuff like here. Here, I would like to have a GIF of the like a website that's creating a transfer to show how easy it is. But yeah, I'm not a designer. More insights, 100% happy clients. And want to talk? Let's go. And then that's it. Help page. Yeah, log in, sign up, and then create a transfer, buddy. I mean, that's the whole rocket science. Let's create a transfer. There you go. That's it. Also looks okay on small. I think here needs to be there needs to be a margin left. Even 2. Yeah, that's better. And then the no, we keep it that way. No, I don't know actually. That's okay. Oh, I think it's okay. I wonder actually. We can make, that's the one I wanted to do. Something like that, and we can say header. Okay, grid up. Is that XS? And we can say primary menu trigger becomes margin left. Something like that. Yikes. Okay, then it's down. Okay, down XS though. So that's XS. And then this becomes, okay. So do we need here something like paddings? Something like that, huh? Okay. So then we can say here, nav. And then the LI, the list item, also have padding left 1 IM. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Okay, now we good. That is a great summary of what PHP is, buddy. Great summary of what PHP is. The language is so flexible, everybody loves it. So, this is interesting, because we fucked this up on mobile. Hui. Yeah, that's the problem. The hero features transform. There it is. So all we have to do is translate. Maybe just 25. That would be better. Okay, then. Okay, let's translate y. Where is that? Dot hero features. There it is. Okay. And then we can say that on a breakpoint. It's right here. So if it's down, I think the same happens on SM. Let's have a look quick. Nah, SM is good. Nah. KXS. So we say dot hero features. And then transform. Translate y. Minus 25%. Important. So then this pushes down a little bit. That's the screen we have. Okay, that looks okay. Fine. Okay, cool. Okay, are we ready? I think we're ready. Git status, git add, git commit. Mobile fixes. That's interesting here. We need to hide this on bigger devices. That's funny. Okay, that means what I can do is it's trigger, right? Nah, what is it? It's that one. That is. And let's have a look. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I know there is this preview menu open. Wait. There is this class called. If it gets there, you go. So if it's device LG or device XL, so we can say, I guess, dot device LG or dot device XL. And then we can say hashtag primary menu trigger in yes, it could be possible to make a DOS like OS and PHP CLI. Yeah, maybe. You could make probably your own SSH shell in PHP. But I can tell you, I know people who did that. That's the stuff you want to do with Go. Yeah, that's good. That's cool. And that means also that I want this button here. That's the funky button. Let's have a look. Yeah, this one. That button. Yeah, top account. That's the one. I want to have that. This one in my navigation. Right here. We make an LI. And say this. And then... this is the block. And the LG none. It's the opposite. Send money now. Okay. So this is the MD none. So that is here, but if we go bigger, shouldn't be there. Right, the SM DMD none. DSM none, sorry. So SM none, and then there it is. I think then we put that in here. Okay, send money now, and then it's gone because it's here, send money now. Cool. I want that to be the same style, so I think is linked and then class button primary. Is that the same thing we can do? Okay, and then color white. Text white. Okay, that's cool. Send money now, buddy. Yeah, nice. I like it. I like it a lot. So our form. Do we need some styling here? I mean, it looks okay to me. I feel like this thing here, this thing could get a margin bottom of 2. Just a small, you know? Maybe 4. So did you use it, buddy? Did you use the PHP GUI library? Is there a brainfuck GUI? um... Yeah, man, why not? So you can even make a brainfucker GUI. I mean, sometimes things doesn't make sense so much. Okay, let's give him margin bottom. The fact that nobody used PHP for make a GUI should tell you a lot. But maybe it's the bomb. Maybe that's the next thing. Could be. Of course. Long time ago, buddy. Absolutely. But people don't use it so much. Only if you have to. But definitely more popular than PHP. See? That's how it could look. And the thing is, like, this actually looks pretty cool on the source code. Like, can you imagine this? Like, really? This is pretty good. Like, buttons, flow. I don't know, because it's Ruby language. It's pretty good. There's another one. G2K, yeah. But everybody use shoes though, but. Yeah. That one's big. So yeah, you can definitely make GUIs in Ruby. Margin bottom 4. Is it 4? 4 is good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, create a new money transfer. I don't know the button. Should the button be in here at the bottom? Create transfer. There. Should that thing? I'm not kidding. Should that thing be in here? And then we can say text center, no margin. Okay, and then maybe just that way. Is that better? I think so, yeah. That's better, I think. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, great. Yeah, I don't believe so. That is impossible. I don't want to talk negative here right now, but that is absolutely not, because I can tell you immediately here are blocks. As you can see, this is a block, this is a block, this is a block, this is a block, and this is a block, and stuff like that. This is actually a function call with an argument and giving a block, and PHP doesn't have that. So this does not look similar in any way. It can't. So let's have a look then at the source code of your PHP GUI. So sorry, Stalin, but this is absolutely not even close to be similar. Absolutely not even close. There is zero similarity. This is a button with these methods. That's I don't think that's similar. No, it can't be similar. This is very unique because it's Ruby, and Ruby, the language itself is very, very unique. The closest thing is somehow Python. If we say, somebody said this needs to be here, transition and stuff, and if we hover it, can we make color red? How do we display them? I click there. No problem. Style the create transfer page. Okay, so what we need next is a live price updates. Okay, Rails C. That's the most important thing. Live price updates. That's going to be fun, guys. Okay, we can say price update. It's not price. What is it? The model, I forgot about it. Exchange rate. Exchange rate update. Okay, perfect. There it is. That is live pricing now. So for 0.1 Bitcoin, we get this much shitcoin. Okay, so let's think about this here. I want to say the following. React listen on WebSocket. Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Listen on WebSockets. Uh-huh. Huh. Yeah, but I want to listen to a specific channel only. So that's a little bit of an issue. And are you excited for that? I remember doing PHP 4. Holy shit. Or 3? I can't even remember. WebSockets React. Oh, all the time. All the time. The difference is that in PHP, you need some companies to fund that. In Ruby, we don't have that. Community is doing that. Ruby 3 is probably coming next year in a stable branch. Probably. Ruby 3 release date. End of the year? Yeah, December. Oh yeah, next year, yeah. Next year. That's the idea of Ruby 3. But that's absolutely major. I mean, we have 2.6, 2.7, 7.2, 7.3, 6.5, 6.3. So we are having multiple branches going at the same time. And then the big major is Ruby 3, which will be, I don't know, probably big. Oh, no idea. Okay, wait. Action cable and React. So let's see what people suggest us to do. I made a sheet chat app. Okay. So we know what that is. That's not what we need. We need to see code. That's cool, but okay, has many messages. Okay, that's standard mounting conversions. Okay, that's not what we need. That's a channel. That's the broadcasting. Fine. And then let's go. Okay, action cable provider. What is that? So that's the WebSocket. Action cable provider. Okay, action cable consumer. That's basically the same, isn't it? Wait, what? Action cable consumer? Where's my consumer? No consumer. He just shows data, doesn't he? New message form. Okay, I think we do this different. We do this just the way we do it as normal. Let's go to exchange rate and do this. After create is broadcast, and then def private def broadcast, and we can say the following. What we say? We say. Yeah, that's a good question. What we say? We say the same as on a transfer. And we say for price, and then we say coin is coin, and rate is rate. Okay. That's what we say. That's the price one. So we can push them out. And then I say in my JavaScript packs. Okay, here we say basically channel is that. Alright, and then I can say let price channel, and then this is price. Wait, this goes to price channel. Yeah. I wonder, is that even a thing? Do I have two different channels that I can listen to? I don't know yet. I don't know. That price channel. Okay, and then we do something like this. The same basically. Yeah. And then receive data. And all we do is just log data. Which blue do you like, buddy? Which blue? Which blue? This blue? I don't know. Oh, my hair! Oh, yeah! It's actually... Is it really blue? It should be more like purple. But... I don't know. Maybe I went too crazy and makes it blue. I don't know. It's kind of like purple. And it's because of the green screen stuff. It makes it looks a little bit more... Stream froze? No, my stream is good, actually. Let's see if I can show you the real color of it. Just a second. I can say filters, disable that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's so visible what color it really is. It looks really, really blue. Isn't it so blue? It's more like, it's blue purplish. I don't know, can't even put light on there. But yeah. It's something fancy, absolutely. And it's good to see that you guys like it, because I also like it. It stays. I don't even know if that's a thing here, like right now. That's F5 this. I don't know, man. Wait, if I say connected. Is there any error? No. Okay, connected seems to be an issue because it has to be a method. Okay. Is that thing working here? Right, let's do this quick. Okay, if we are connected to transfer. Okay, that works actually with connected to transfer. So okay, there is something then with our server. Okay, price channel not found. Yeah, absolutely not. Connected to price? That seems wrong. Yeah, that's better. So then this is not worth to do. Okay, then Rails generate channel price. Okay, and then I think hopefully he's going to be connected to that as well. Because that might be now having a channel. Okay, he is connected to price. And then means if I rate C and I go for update, nothing. Okay, let's go. Channels, oh, that's my price channel. No, we don't need that anymore. We don't need that. That's what we need. So stream from price. Okay, if I go now. Hi, that's working. Cool. So we got it pushed over. That's a great thing. That means also in price RB, the exchange rate RB. We just say this. Okay, he's just pushing prices over. It's really good. So how do I push that over to how do I push that over to my I mean, we get a new price. If we get one, we get a new price. I really wonder. So how do I get this into my React? Is there any React professional watching here right now? It seems like I only have PHP gangsters. Sadness. Okay, I think I have to adjust my share a bit. That's good, I think. Okay, so exchange rate stream is working. I like that. The rate doesn't change, that's fine. So, what in heaven's earth? Oh. Wait, I see. Okay, there's something we have to do, but what in heaven's earth? I really wonder, how do we get that pushed over into our React app? Basically here. That's the only way where we need that. And Superfish can go out. Where is that Superfish, dude? I need this updated and then here basically recalculated. So let's go into our currency converter and have a look. We have state. Where is that with the rate? Okay. This props rate is bad. This state rate. That's better. No, even better would be if we don't use this and say this dot exchange rate. And then we say make a method. Is a method that returns something, maybe this props rate, for example, in the beginning. Okay, all we have to do now is we return this we return this state rate, and here we say rate is this props rate. Is that still a thing? Apparently not. This state so we have the currency with the rate. We give him a rate, that is fine. And then this should be in a state rate. He has a state rate. Okay, we don't return this. See, I gonna stay a Rails, a Ruby developer the rest of my life, man. I have no idea with Composer, buddy. I have no clue. Can I change these? Yes, I can change that. So, okay. Now let's do the following. We are really ninja. Draw hidden fields, watch out. Draw hidden rate. Okay, draw hidden rate becomes this state deduct from balance. I need the. Oh, wait. I need. No. Okay, I need something like this. Draw hidden rage, and then I say something like that. And I say okay, and then watch out value. This state is rate, and then allow negative. This is unrelated. Okay, is this working? Draw hidden. Man, I have no clue. I'm no Docker professional. They say Windows 10 has Docker for you and stuff. I don't know, buddy. I really don't know. Draw hidden rate. Name is something like hidden rate. Where is it actually? Where is it? Is it somewhere here? There, diff ID calculator, and then so this isn't working. So we can say input type is maybe text, name is that, class name, value. Okay, why not? Is that working? Return. Tim, one day you learn this. One day. Methods have to return something. Dude, too much Ruby in my life. Wrote 1,000,000 methods. No return. Okay. That's okay. And then I think we can say this. Exchange rate. No, we call this rate change. And then it becomes rate change is a method. And we say this rate change, this state rate, yes. Hidden rate. Wait. Draw hidden rate. I got it. Just a second. And we can say that's what I want. So I can say this set state and then rate event target value. Okay, let's have a look if that works. So if I say then that works. So I want to send 0.1 Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin is 500,000 worth. We get that much. And if it's 600,000 worth, it's, yeah, we get more. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so all I have to do now is input type is ID, exchange rate. Okay, and then watch out. Currency converter in my application.js. Here I say let input is document query selector hashtag exchange rate, and we say input in HTML is data, is data. Let's push that in. Data.rate. Yeah. Let's have a look. So we say it's this one. Okay, now I push a new price in. That didn't work. Input value. That seems better to me. That works. So if we say I want 0.1 Bitcoin to pay, and I pretend this is the price, and then they update the price. That's, oh, that seems to be wrong. Ah. HTML trigger on change event. I can just call the onChange. All right, see you, goodbye. Input onChange, trigger it. Okay, let's have a look. So /transfer/new basically. Okay, do this and do that. Create event. Event. That's something that looks good. So we say then input dispatch Okay, now this is happening and he's still not triggering this. Huh. That's interesting because if I trigger this, then he is updating. But if I set the value, nothing is happening. So if I do this, I go here. Huh. I think it might have to do React trigger on change event manually. Yeah, exactly. So, let's have a look. Native input value object get. Shit, what? Data, right? That's crazy stuff, dude. I mean, I get in theory what's happening here. High level JavaScript. Yes, that worked. That worked. So if I say I want to pay 0.1 shitcoin and the rate is 500, I get 54,000. But then the price updates, I get only 25,000. Okay. Can I do this? Nope, that isn't working. That isn't working actually. It has to be this way. That's interesting. Stupid JavaScript, isn't it? Wait. Oh, it is working. Sorry, you talked shit, Tim. You tested something else, dude. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Good. Okay. So we got price updates now, which is really, really good. Price live updates. Okay, and the next step is, and that's a little bit of an issue. Say we log in here. Test it. Okay. Okay, we are logged in. Okay, I have a fair chunk of something. Say okay, I have a big okay, I have a big amount of balance. So if we go and create a transfer, and let me put my limit up high, really high. Let's say A is user last, A max limit is, let's say, 1 million baht. Okay, so my limit is 1 million baht now. So if I say I want to create a transfer for 1 million baht, okay, he says it's this much here, 3.97. I disagree, because I'm pretty sure the exchange rate will drop. This will be false, man. Watch out. Yeah, exactly. So that's okay, actually. But the issue is, if I say deduct that from my balance, that would be really bad, wouldn't it? And also, transfer new, if I am logged in, I don't need that anymore. And then email is invalid sounds super stupid. Set email from user on create. And we can say that. Where is that? That is transfer user. Okay, so if I'm finding private and I pry it in here, I click this. So self. So what's this? Self email. Email is invalid? Oh, I see. Yes, email is invalid, absolutely. It's correct, it's correct. Let's say that's a valid email. Okay, that's better. Okay, now he's not crying for the email anymore. That's a good thing, transfer controller. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fixed. So what the issue is, apparently, if we say if I say do me 1 million baht and we say deduct this much, but then he actually deducts in reality something like 3.99, then the user minus that the user has to pay more. Yeah, the user has to pay like $200 more than actually displayed because he has a custom limit. So it would be beneficial that if we click these deduct from balance, if we activate this, that somehow we show him something like if I click here that he gets a confirmation page where he has to confirm the exact details. Tricky, yeah. That's what one of you guys said last Friday, that, oh, no confirmation page. And I said, oh yeah, let's think about this. So what's the logic here? The logic is, let's commit this quick. Git diff, what did we do? Okay. Git add preset email. Okay, so the idea is now that in my ugly transfer controller that we need to refactor is this. We say if at transfer valid and wait, transfer RB can auto confirm. What's that? So we say this, if transfer can auto confirm, that is the question if deduct from balance was active. So then before we call this, we ask for create params of transfer of deduct from balance. So when we have this and this whole thing is valid, then we can say render action confirmation. Return now this is actually render template confirmation, and then we have a template for this thing. And then we have def confirm. Okay. Now, actually, we have the same in the confirm method. It's literally the same. The only difference is we don't do that anymore. Okay, let's try that. We need template confirmation. Ooh, let's go views, transfers, and then here like that, and we say confirmation. What the heck is that? And then we say confirm your money transfer. Okay. And then basically this. And we say is at transfer inspect. Okay. Let's try this though. What is that? Binding try. I think it's create params. That's what I thought. So it's just straight off deduct from balance. So if I go here and I say okay, transfers here. Okay. So if create there we go. So if that and valid. Okay, let's go on send money now. Deduct but invalid. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go and say this. 1 million baht. Return. Render. Yeah, this can't work. Render template confirmation. Okay, and then is missing template. Okay. Okay, and then here, confirm your money transfer. And what we are doing is basically I have the idea we could do something like show exactly this form, but have it all disabled and locked in. Right? It's the same form. So this is disabled. Everything is disabled. No. We do that better. We go and say, watch out, I have the idea. We do this. We render this. That's what we render, recipient details. We can say transfer details. There. Okay. So if I go that way, yeah, let's go. Let's try that. I say I will receive this much. That's broken. Gee, wait. Sure. That's that thing. We don't even need anymore. This is broken shit, bro. Gone. So we need this. That's the one we need, man. So let's go here and say that and move that over and say transfer details. Okay, and that's basically it. And then we can say LE and then we say the same thing here basically. Right. Exchange rate, yeah. And then we can say 1 BTC is this one. And put that into a strong. And say 1 Bitcoin exchange rate becomes that. I can say this exchange. Nah. What's this same icon here? What's this icon? It's the exchange rate, buddy. FA retweet. Okay. Is that brand? FAR. So if I say 300,000, actually it doesn't matter. Actually it's a good thing, even though if I want a small one, that's a good thing. Confirm your money transfer. 1 Bitcoin is 254,000. Actually interesting now. If I say this and I say I want to pay 5 Bitcoin, 3 Bitcoin. 75603. 756,030. 756,030. Yeah. 756,030. Okay, let's do then this. Before we deduct this, please, because you are a valuable client with custom limits, please double check the following details and confirm your transfer. The exchange rate might differ slightly. Differ from the previous step due to custom limits. Before we deduct the amount from your balance, please double check the exchange rate might be slightly different from the previous step due to your custom limits. Okay, perfect. And then actually very easy. All we need here is something like, what do we need here? We need f hidden, and then it's recipient. Wait, what? That's not what I want. No. Here, f hidden recipient and hidden bank ID. Yeah, that's one we need. And now it becomes tricky, actually. If at transfer pay in, then we say f hidden pay in, and if it's pay out, then we say pay out. Okay, hidden pay in, pay out. So what do we need here? Amount? No, we just need pay in, pay out. Sure, pay in, pay out. That's all we need. And pay in, pay out. Yeah, let's have a look quick. That's all we need, I guess. Deduct. Oh yeah, and deduct from balance. Sure. Deduct from balance, absolutely. Bank ID, bank account. So bank ID, bank account, pay in. That's all we need basically. And then something like confirmed and then transfer confirmation, and I say value true. Yeah, and then transfer RB has transfer confirmation. Let's try that. F hidden field. Okay. Let's try. Let's make this not a hidden, make this a text field, I guess. And then we say this becomes a label. Okay, and then also f label becomes a p. How do they call me the master of multi-lines? Okay, bank account, deduct from balance, transfer confirmation, and deduct from balance. Interesting. Value is true. Man, it needs to be true, bro. And pay in, he said 3 Bitcoin. Now let's do the opposite. Say we want 750,000 baht. Deduct this buddy. And we say yup. And then we say pay out 750,000 baht. Great. So if I click now a button. If I click now a button and say confirm this. Let's do that quick. These little fellas. Then is and then value is confirm transfer details. Okay, if I click this, I end up here the same. Okay, that's bad. That's not what I wanted. I want 50,000. Deduct from balance. We can make even 6,000. Doesn't matter. Deduct from balance. Okay, so if I click here, what do I submit though? I know why that is broken. Deduct from balance. That's better. And then the question is about transfer confirmation. And that. Okay, otherwise you can say we confirmed that thing. So one more time. I want 5,000. I say this. I say that. I want that. I'm gonna confirm this. That's good. That's cool. I don't want that. I just want to spend that much. And then hopefully my balance is 5. So I want 1 million baht on my bank account of here. And I'm gonna say this becomes a hidden. Okay, F5 this, good. 1 million baht, that's my exchange rate. That absolutely differs. So I say this. Here we say 255, 200. Maybe that's even changing, let's have a look. Exchange rate update, where you at, buddy? Okay, this also needs to be rendered. This might be necessary to be rendered by React. This little fella here. This belongs into React because it needs to change here. Absolutely. And then I say bank, and then this 1 million, and then I get 253,588. Payment successful, and then my balances are pretty low now. That's really good. So we can say now, let's have a look. I hope you guys like that, man. That seems exciting. I mean, you guys said there needs to be a confirmation. That's how we do it. Super easy. Just bring a confirmation in here, buddy. Let's have a look, freak. If I need from my transfer new this thing here, that whole thing. That thing needs to go into a currency converter. And let's go here. There. So if I say small class name is text muted, and I say this, I say exchange rate, and then I say this becomes a strong. And I say that. I say a BR. I say limit. Become a strong. Up to yeah, and then yeah, if there's a balance, then in that case we say BR your balance strong / strong. Okay, that could work. Let's have a look on that. Boo. Boo, React, boo. That's not nice of you, buddy. That is transfer minimum. Okay, I think we want it this way, / strong. And then also here a strong. And we need to order food, guys. And he still says error. I think he's like, this is his problem. Min and max. And then this is balance. This is right. Still not? What's wrong here? Stupid React, dude. Oh, stupid Tim either. Well, that is working. Okay, exchange rate strong. 1 BTC is rate stress. Okay, what's wrong with this? Is that breaking already? Oh, I see it here. See, you guys clearly can say I'm a Hamel guy. I do Hamel all the time. That won't happen with Hamel, dude. Yeah. Okay, and then what is this? Okay, so we can say this state rate. That's working. Okay, and then I say this, and then watch out if I now say that. He's going slow. That's cool. And then my limits are, yeah, what's my limits, bro? Actually, I see this. I see it already. We don't need that in here. Limits and balance we don't need here. Delicious. All we need is div, small, and then the block. I like it there. I think that's where it needs to be. And then let me bring these back. Except that we don't need that anymore. And then all we have to do is make this draw hidden fields and then draw hidden rate. Input type is hidden, hopefully. Okay, and then let's say basically exchange rate create. Coin is BTC rate is. That didn't work. Fuck. Okay, I know why that didn't work, because it's a hidden field and hidden fields do not have. Okay, class name is then D none. So if I say this, that works. Perfect. So then we say 0.1. Don't deduct from balance. We get it here. I say 15,000, deduct from balance. I say it there. Okay, that's really good. That is really good, guys. And then I confirm this. So the problem is what now? No price fetched. Interesting. So what's next if we go here and say the price changed? Nah, it's okay, man. It's okay. Sidekick. That's a lot. Send money. Because the queues are broken, eh? Okay. Illegal invocation. I don't need that. I only want to do that. Let's go. Pack application.js. I only need my price channel. If I have this. This thing. How is that called? Div ID calculator. Okay. So we can say if document query selector of that. What is that actually? Is that nil or undefined or? Okay, and if we don't have that thing. So if not equals null. Okay, sound like you should not cry about that. Yeah, he's not connecting. And then if you go here on send money. Wait, what? Oh, holy shit. That's really bad. So he should only stream from price. Not working. So that's interesting. Huh. How is that done? I am connected to my price now. I clearly am. Okay, but if Uh-huh. I'm not here. I know why. Because this is after runtime. The calculator thing is after runtime. So then we need something like card body. Okay. So we say new, we say card body. That's what we do, create transfer form. Okay, that should work finally. It makes sense because React, the calculator is just created after runtime, so it's not there yet. I'm here, yeah, he say I'm here. Okay, sure. So only if we are there. And then I can tell you that on application hammer. I say UUID, and I say transfer UUID if transfer persisted rescue mail. So he should not connect to the transfer thing anymore. Yeah. Only price. And then if we create something, then we are connected to transfer. Okay. This has to be muted. Okay, this is actually all good, I think. If I click send money now. Confirm. Okay, that's better. That much, that much. So do we need a cancel button? We need a cancel button. Button, danger. So if I say that, cancel. And then margin right 5. And this is button success. Confirm, cancel, confirm. Do they both need to be in this container and or do they need a margin top? That's the first. And then that's okay. Do they need to be like that? Margin left. Button outline success. And button outline danger. Should be maybe this way, eh? Confirm transfer or cancel? Yeah, cancel is also a thing. Okay. That's good, I think. Yeah, I think that's okay. The whole flow makes sense, kind of like. We don't believe in copyright, we believe in Bitcoin. And then confirm your money transfer. I don't need this anymore. Transfer details. Do I actually the exchange rates we use are live market data. Oh, okay, I think I like this. I think I keep it this way. I think we keep it this way. Cancel. Perfect. And then my wallet. Right here, bro. And then we do something like, watch out, we do the following. We do we do this. Okay, that's number one. And we are sneaky. This is of course not working, but we do sneaky this. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, we need a lock there. We need the lock actually. Rails lock table. Nah, lock. Okay, so I can say transfer must transfer. Right, transfer control. It's not what I really want. What I want is basically I want this. Yeah, I say model now user where lock the. That's what I do, yeah. Right, let's read this. Lock, some lock clause. So we say user transaction do. And we basically say current user lock. So it's locked on that transaction, isn't it? Account 1 lock, account 2 lock, we deduct balances. Okay, I can say current user with lock. That should work as well. Current user with lock, transfer safe. Basically, I want this whole thing in here. Okay, one more time. So I say where's my balance? He doesn't show my balance. Wow. Why is that? He doesn't show my balance. Recalculate balance. Now he shows my balance. There's my balance. Okay. Let's go that way. So it's one balance. So I say 1 Bitcoin. Create transfer. Okay, so now so in theory how do we do that? Okay, if I click here and there. Okay, yeah, of course, use a low balance. Okay, I mean, because it's locked, only one can actually acquire the lock. So even if we send them at the exact same time, only one gets the lock. And then, yeah, that's basically it. My wallet 0. Yeah. Okay, let's commit this. Git status, git add, git commit, confirm transfer. Okay, now we got everything, I guess. I mean, we literally have everything. What's our spec saying? Maybe something broke? I don't think so. Should not break anything. Nah, should be all good. Ah. 1F. Oh yeah. Absolutely. This is broken, I can tell you. Because it's this way. So then if that's done, then that test is also green. It's just for demonstration purpose here right now. Not for live environment. Because I don't have a node running. If I spin up a second node, then it's kind of like you guys not looking good anymore. Okay, I think that's looking good now. Okay, so are we ready for deployment? I don't know, maybe. Yeah, there's nothing changed. Yeah, I could push origin master. And then I don't feel good. I think maybe we quit the stream for the day. 2.5 hours. Nah, we do 1 hour longer. A little bit longer. There's always things we can do. I mean, we are not finished yet, but what needs to be done? I think if we CryptoBot. If we compare with the current live website, I mean, that's just start page. It doesn't really matter. Start a transfer. That's how we did it before. And we say this, and then we say that. and then this and that. So, no. That's working as well. We basically, if we compare this now, it's easier. Create transfer. You have it both in a form. Yeah, I mean, if I log out, okay, create transfer. It's both in a form. It's easier for sure. And good. Transfer controller. Okay, we do the following. Block is proc new do this, and we can say block call. That's shitty, man. That's really shitty, Tim. That's not code you want to write. You can't be legit. If current user then do that. Huh. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. How ugly is that? I mean, yeah, if we have a current user, shit. Good. We can do it this way. Okay, if current user yeah, that's a thing. So we do that and that. That's a thing. That's the whole creation. I don't like it. What I think we need to do is maybe in transfer we make a lock. Nah. It's okay. It's okay. I keep it that way. I like it. It's okay. And if I have a question. Okay, I have a balance now, right? Oh, let's log in. Okay, I have a balance of, wait. 1 Bitcoin. If I go now and I say this, only 6. That should not happen, I think. Let's have a look. And after create commit, recalculate balance. To some. What? That's interesting. If I say this, wow. Wow. Validates balance greater than or equal 0. What? What? Rates validates numericality? Did I write that wrong or what? Like as usual, do I write that wrong? Numericality. Greater than or equal to 0. How is that little... wait. Yeah, man. Self-balance. Self-valid. True. Crazy shit. Greater than or equal to. That's the key. That's the key. There. So that's working. That was a validation fail. Very, very interesting. So what's happening when I go here? I say something like 1 Bitcoin, doesn't really matter. I want to confirm this, okay. And I say it's 2. That was shitty too. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. So I do this, and then here. like that. So what is actually going on is the transfer. Nope. So that's okay. So this actually is kind of like protecting us, I think. Wait. That is the transfer. Oh shit. Okay, all transfers gone. So what's happening? This bad. That's bad. And user recalculate balance. That could be something like that. Okay, so that protects us from kind of like goofy shit. I don't like this at all. Kind of like, I don't like it. Oh, I wonder you guys don't even have music. Let me give you guys music. I just realized that. Damn it. Nobody of you guys told me. I will give you guys music in a second. 3, 2, 1. It should be there. Okay, you guys have music now? Let me try that. Let me try that, please. You guys have indeed music. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now the music is on, as usual. So, I don't know, man. My settings, as I said, my settings completely messed up. I had to redo everything here. That wasn't that good. We remove this here. All right, perfect. So reread this. Raise faulty balance, yeah. That's good. That's good. What's that? Wallet index throws an error. Wallet. Ah, I know why. I know why. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's basically yeah, because we deleted all of these. Yeah, okay. Okay, no problem. We deleted all of these entries, so they are broken. Yeah, makes sense. Can we say C ledger and delete all? Okay, we should be. Yeah, that's better. And then recalculate. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, fine. I think that's good now. That looks good to me, kind of like. I wonder, does the wallet notify have a similar feature? Monero daemon wallet notify. Nah. I gonna suggest that to the Monero core. But first, let's go here. So, CryptoBot, current balance, yes, yes, yes. Looks good. Create transfer, looks good. I think we got this. Finished development part 1. Okay, I'm gonna get a server for that tonight, and then I will install the Bitcoin node, and then I have to install data, like I have to install the current data of the users so they can still log in into their accounts, and I can't do that on stream because then I accidentally could leak some user emails, which would be really bad, because I'm always pro privacy and stuff, so we don't do that. And then yeah, and then I gonna make the CI for that. We can, yeah, I just gonna make a CI for that, and then I gonna deploy this, and then we can try it out actually, and see how much fun we have with this. And then, yeah, we need to put something like in the admin. Yeah, I need to do something with admin panel. I mean, we use active admin, so we could just use the current version, and that shit works still out of the box. And then install Sidekick, and then we're gonna make live tests, and then we launch it or not. So, but that's we do tomorrow, or I have to do this myself later, because those are things I can't do with you guys for security reasons, for privacy reasons. But we can talk about yeah, we can talk about the next project. So you guys had the idea that we do something for crypto donations in Twitch, right? So that somebody is going here and is watching Prime. What the fuck, ads? That, I mean, if you check this here, okay, that's my own one. Oh, crazy. I didn't even know that. That's a thing? Oh, crazy. What an explorer. But .z.tl. Wow. So yeah, the idea is that you can make a panel here like donate me with crypto, and you click on that, and then they redirects you then on I don't know, cryptodonate.com, cryptodonate.me/Tim Van Monero, for example. And yeah, if you go on that website, then we say you can have let's draw this quick. So the idea is it's basically like, how is that working? Is that working for you guys? If I wait, is that, do you guys have full screen? Okay, so the idea is then you have a website, Cryptonate me. Wait. Logo, crypt, donate. Okay, and then you donate Tim Van Monero. And then you say how much? $5, $50. That was stupid. Like $5, $25, or free amount. Or free amount, like whatever you want. And then alternatively, or specify a Bitcoin amount, or just send Bitcoin, or just send Bitcoin. Just send Bitcoin. And you can say then kind of like from becomes then a field you can fill out, and then you can say something like, wait, I'm a wizard here. Watch out. See, I'm MS Paint professional, guys. Believe me that. And then from, and then something like message. MSG, Madison Square Garden. So, and then we generate you, okay, and a button, okay, in green. And then we say, okay. Okay, so that's the form basically. And then, yeah, if you make the payment, then tap, then what? And then the user received money, sure. Sure. If you made the payment, the user received money, absolutely. And then I had these two ideas that either you give us, either you use us as a wallet service, and then every time you withdraw money, we charge 1.5% of that amount. Okay, so we collect your shitcoin, and then yeah, we charge you 1.5% for, or maybe 1%, or I don't even know, as a fee for using our service. That could be okay. And then alternatively, you give us your XPub key, and we can generate addresses for you, and the user is paying those, and we just tell our node to observe these addresses, and then that's it. And then if something comes in, we can also say then, yeah, money is paid. But then the question is, how do we notify the user? So I had ideas. So the first idea is for OBS, this one, right? The user can make, like, we give the user a custom overlay that he's just displaying. And then, yeah, we just donate stuff. But I wonder if that is happening, how do we get that into our stream activity? Do I have that if I go on tools? I don't know. I don't even know. I don't use this because I don't want donations. Docs. Twitch activity feed, right? It's quiet. Too quiet. What is this? Manage requests. What is that? Reward queue. I don't even know what that is. I have no clue, guys, what that is. Okay, so maybe I need your guys' help then. I mean, we can do this all together. I make the rails, I make the crypto processing, and the rest you guys have to do for me. And then we can do this together, guys. So that would be the idea. That would be one idea. Alternatively, we can say this interesting, this popping thing. Whoops. Okay, alternatively, I think I use OBS, right? OBS Studio is OBS Studio. Yeah. And Stream Elements, that's the one. Is that the one I use? Yes, I use Stream Elements because I like it. Do they have an API? Interesting questions, right? Tim Van Monero. Verified token, guys. Where is my token? Where is my SMS? Where is it? Oh, here, I'll see. 4, 5, 8, 5, 6, 9, 2. Okay, that should work. Okay, so this one is the one I use. I wonder if they have crypto donations. Let's have a look. Seems gallery, tipping settings. Yeah, I don't even do this at all. Yeah, I don't want that. Oh, they only do PayPal? Ah, okay. Okay, tipping presets, design. That's cool though. Show leaderboard. Uh-huh. See? Oh, wow. That looks dope. Can you imagine that? Oh, that's cool. See? That's the thing we need to do. Something similar, but I need you guys to design that. I can't design this by myself. I can't design this by myself. Tim Van Monaro's tipping page. I wonder why. Yeah, well then he goes to stupid PayPal. Tip moderation. Oh, they have crazy stuff here. Huh. Banned words support wildcards except men. Oh, mem. Okay. How does that work? Immerse. Disable alert. Hide message. Okay, that's crazy, dude. That's a big ass functionality that they have. TTS spam. Approving will show an alert for the information, and denying will mask the names and remove the message. Crazy. Oh, did I reload my over? Okay, that was stupid, Timmy boy. Okay, well, that is actually interesting what they have. That's a big ass functionality, I can tell you that, guys. So, well, it's no rocket science. I mean, this whole thing here, this is the only thing for integration. So, yeah. Ah, cool. Page settings. Replace image, replace image. What? Oh, okay, this is their own library of assets that I can upload. Okay. Yeah, man, it's crazy. That's a crazy page, dude. Oh, they are like me. Wow, pizza. Wow. So yeah, wanna do this, guys? I don't know, man. I mean, we can do that. The only question is, how do I bring this, for example? Do they have an API where I can push activity feed? No. Yeah. Reload overlays. Okay, I want to remove this paper shit here. Okay, so bot, I don't need bot. Giveaways, contents, leaderboard, what is that? I don't know what that is. Merge, revenue history. Oh, you guys see the top shatters. Wow, cool. Cam Zach, my hero. I'm missing you, buddy. That's interesting here. Who came and sent one message? Nobody. Oh, the top 100 only. Cool. I don't know about that though. No, that's not what we need. So, Stream Elements API. Do they have that? Does this API work at all? Right? Stream Elements API. Oh, same link, okay. Activities. Yeah, I would like to push a message in there. That's the thing. What an embarrassing API. No docs at all, man. Activity type. So I actually wanted to post, but that's replay and activity. That's not what I want. Instead, what I want is no, they don't support that. Okay, and then there's the second company, Stream Elements versus Streamlabs. Okay, Streamlabs and Streamlabs API. Post alerts. Yeah. So what we can do is, if you use Streamlabs, we could push you a message in there. Interesting. Yeah, the name of the donor, the message. Yeah. So with Streamlabs, that could be easy. So you log in with you log into our website. You give us your token. That's all we need. Your access token, and then we can push that into your OBS. So you don't even into your Streamlabs OBS. So you don't even need to basically use our overlay. Credits. There, get. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's okay. Okay, we need a domain, me domain. Let's have a look here. Which one we are going to buy? Crypto donate me. What? Oh yeah, that's the way. What is with this? Cryptodonate.com? What the fuck? So crypto donate me is available. We can do this for like $5. Why not? So alternative Cryptonate, Cryptonate. Thought about Cryptonate. 25,000, really? .me. Okay, so that's how we could call. That's how we could call. What's up? Oh, okay. Yeah, interesting. So that's what we could do, guys. I have to talk with you actually before we do this. There are like 2 or 3 guys who contacted me about that and said, hey, let's have a talk about this. I gonna have a talk with them though. And then I don't feel good today, and I have to do all this off stream work, so it's 3 hours streaming today. I gonna quit this stream. Thank you everybody for watching. Just a Monday morning stream. Just the way it is. Yeah, that was okay. We did a lot of stuff. I did the whole work that we wanted to do during the week. I did it yesterday and the day before. I couldn't wait, so
Yeah. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great Monday, Sunday evening, and I see you guys tomorrow morning as usual. Bye bye.